help me unbox the new SELPHY QX20. It is the new version of the Canon photo printer. I was waiting for this to come out, recently released. Basically takes away the edges, the borders, really maximizes the amount of space. And the reason why I had gotten it is because of the portability feature that it essentially comes with. I do have the CP 1300, and the CP 1300 is a bit more robust. It's a bigger frame. And so when I'm at home and when I'm printing stuff at home and when I'm journaling, it's cool for those particular instances. But for instances where I want to travel and I want to do my journaling on the go, that is why I want to invest in this QX20. I'm hoping that everything fits in my journal bag. Inside my journal bag, it has a couple pins, my journaling items, as well as stickers and the actual journal that I have that is going to be in there. So I'm hoping that everything fits. It's going to be nice and snug. As you can tell, I have just a little bit of room to fit stuff in there. Help me unbox the SELPHY QX20. Welcome to the unboxing of the SELPHY QX20. It's a compact photo printer. I believe this is a new release so far. As you can tell, I got this in Korea in the Electromart store here locally in South Korea. I had originally purchased the SELPHY QX10 with this SELPHY Square printout. When I was doing my research in September, I found that the SELPHY QX20 was actually getting ready to be released at the end of October, which is why I opted to purchase the SELPHY QX20 and just kept the XS20L SELPHY Square, so that once this was ready and it was available, I was able to essentially get this. So this is the white version. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get this opened up. So again, I did purchase this from a Korean store. There's some paperwork. There it is. Oh, wow. Comes in 3 different colors. There is the white, the red, and the gray version. I opted for the white version. I think it's USB-C chargeable, and I believe this is the input cassette tapes. All right, so this has 20 sheets with the ink. All right, this is the cassette tapes. So this is the edge backing. Okay, according to the label, the white part goes in the front. This. Yeah. Okay. All right. This photo printer offers several key interesting features, which we'll cover. The key features are: it is versatile print options. It offers both the square and business card size sticker printouts for creative flexibility. It has high quality prints. It uses dye sublimation technology to produce that vibrant color in smooth gradients. It has durable photos, which makes the print water resistant and dirt proof.
According to the website, it's supposed to be able to last you 100 years if it's stored in an album. It has creative customization. The companion application allows you to add frames, text, and creative layouts. It has a very portable design. It's compact, lightweight, and has USB-C charging for convenience and on the go. Of course, it has fast printing that produces a print for up to 40 seconds. And of course, last but not least, it has a sticker back print. The photos can come with peelable backs. It's perfect for scrapbooking and decorations. That's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.